Are we recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're recording. All right. Hey. So this is our code here. It's pretty code-like. You know, it has a lot of comments and it has a lot of functions and stuff. So do you want me to explain how the algorithm works, or
No, let's just show that the code works.
show that the code works, and then our lab report will detail exactly how this stuff works. I explained to Mark a couple of times indirectly because he was around when I was explaining to other people. But essentially, what we did is the Morse code. We did some calculations. Well, I did some calculations here that translated the Morse codes of all of these letters into binary numbers, which we then translated into base 10 numbers, and those are used as inputs in the code. So you can see up here, sort of, that we define those as the inputs, which eventually get translated into the lights. And basically, what you do is you take the binary number, look at the last bit. And if the bit is a 1, you turn the light on. If the bit is a 0, you turn the light off, and then you bit shift it to the left. Continuously do that until you run out of bits to shift, and then you realize that you're done with that letter. Move on to the next letter. That's the basic setup of the code, and then the rest of it is just UART initialization, timer initialization. So now we're going to run the code and show you that it actually does work. This is the configuration debugger thing that's happening. And this is a previous case. We're just going to clear that. We also hit resume. All right. So for the first, get ready to record that too. So there's a bit of a delay. So you can look at what I did, and you can look at what's going to happen up there. So we're going to do A. And now it wants more input, so we say that's going to be a bit longer.
That was just basically between two words.
Yeah. So it was hello and then world. And okay, so now it's done. I'm just going to input one last thing here, but just for the purpose of just showing you, if you happen to be using a similar terminal or something like that, when I input this, it's going to be flashing there. But if you look at the terminal real quick, you can see that the cursor is still under A. So then we can go here, and you can tell when the program is done because this is going to drop down. Right? Yeah. So it dropped down, meaning that it's waiting for more input. And so yeah, that's proof. That's proof that our code works. Give us a good grade, please. And yeah.